Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to download GTA San Andreas, GTA San Andreas Windows 11.10.8.7. Open the Chrome, then search for Rockstar, then click on first website link. Now click on Rockstar Games website name. In the search bar, search for San Andreas. Then click on game image. Now click on buy now. Then scroll down and click on PC buy now. Then sign in into your account. Then click on PC buy now again. Now select the payment method as credit or debit card. Now enter the card details, then click on continue, then go to first tab and click on top right get launcher. Then click on download for Windows. Then go to downloaded location, then double click on Rockstar Game Launcher, then select the language and continue. Now select I accept the terms, continue and close. Then sign in into your account, then click on install now and install. After installing, click on play. By following the steps, you can download GTA San Andreas Windows 11.10.8.7.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.